How to update mobile number in Malaysia Airlines. So hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching how to update your mobile number in Malaysia Airlines. So let's just say you started off with your Malaysia Airlines and here you want to change your mobile number because let's just say you're gonna change a new country or whatnot and you want to change your mobile number here at Malaysia Airlines. So how do you do that? So first of all, in this video I'll be discussing all of that. So guys, let's get started. All I need to do is open up the app. Once we open up the Malaysia Airlines app right here, click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. After pressing on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner, it'll be located right here. Once you're here, click on right there the My Account. After clicking on My Account right there, you'll see personal information. Press on the personal information right there. After pressing the personal information right there, next thing you need to do right here is go to the right and you will see contact information. Press on the contact information. After pressing the contact information right there, you will see update mobile number. Press on the update mobile number. After pressing on the update mobile number, it will now lead you to the contact information right here. There you go. First, we're just gonna verify our email. So once we verify this, next thing we need to do is our their contact number. So on a contact number, I'll just give you a few things. All you need to do is delete your mobile number, then add a new mobile number, then verify. You need to verify it with your new mobile number. So then it will become now verified, or it will now be your new personal information contact number here, information here on Malaysia Airlines. So there you go guys, that's how we do it. I hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed the video, any questions, concerns, you can always leave it down comment below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here. How to rock it guys, and thank you guys.